Hey, it's Greg there here again with another video. So I just want to show you guys easily how to hook up your dryer vent. So things you're going to need is the actual dryer venting. You'll need a flat blade screwdriver and two 4-inch clamps. Depending on the hookup, it's everybody's is going to be different, but this is just an easy general kind of hookup. So just put the clamps onto the venting, and when you put it onto the machine, where you actually screw the worm gear together, you want that to be in a spot where you can actually hit it with the screwdriver. So I always push it off to this far side over here, and you got to make sure that the vent goes all the way around. Sometimes it comes all squished up and you got to kind of make it get on there properly. So let's put that guy on, tighten up the clamp. Even when it's in a good spot, still not in a great spot, but you can also use a 5/16 wrench or ratchet wrench or socket on these, because that's the same size. It's also 5/16. So attaching it to the wall, I'm going to put the clamp, and you always want it facing towards where you're sitting to make it easier for you to actually reach the screw head of it. Now this guy is quite a bit shorter than it used to be, and I made it that way for a reason, because I didn't want there to be too much slack and it to fold its over on itself, because then that's when you get air movement issues. Okay, so now that we got it connected to the dryer and connected to the wall, we're going to push it back. But what we're going to be careful of is that this doesn't fold over on itself or bend kind of funny. We'll get it as straight as we can possibly get it going to the wall, and that'll just help for drying purposes. So I'll slide that back and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. See how it's still got a fairly 4-inch form all the way from the back to the wall. So that's right where we want to have it, and we can start the dryer and test it if we want, but that's it for hooking up a vent.